Innovation never stops, and as digital devices evolve, so do the components supporting them. The SD Association is always innovating to expand the usefulness of SD memory cards and extend the shelf life of the devices they support. Thanks to the SD9 specification, product manufacturers today can rely on SD memory cards for all their memory needs. Cards can be used as the only storage component for a device because SD memory cards deliver advanced security, easy upgrades, and right-to-repair functionality. First, let's talk about advanced security. The SD9 specification contains noteworthy advancements that level up SD memory cards for the consumer electronics market by offering boot support, trusted computing group support, and a replay-protected memory block. When pairing SD9 and SD Express capabilities, a card becomes a removable solid-state drive supporting all storage needs for a device. The fast boot device functionality is totally new for SD memory cards, taking the embedded memory burden off small devices. Those devices are typically used for mobile and IoT applications. Fast boot allows an extremely simple hardware-based fast boot upload. When boot code is moved to an SD memory card, the card meets all storage needs, plus it's easy to repair or update. This functionality dramatically simplifies device storage, repairs, and upgrades. Newly added TCG functionality offers a self-encrypted drive to SD memory cards. That means all data written to the card is encrypted in a transparent manner using a local unique key. So on any read activity, the data is automatically decrypted. This helps prevent unauthorized access and protects users by offering access protection if the user area access is locked and/or if the card is removed from the host device. Plus, it offers data protection if an attempt is made to access the storage component in the card. Here's a quick example of an SD Express memory card with SD9 features replacing an SSD or hard drive as a semi-removable and self-encrypted drive. The addition of RPMB functionality offers hidden memory that is accessible only through a secured authentication process. It provides a secured write protect mechanism, secured boot code updates, and a replay protection security mechanism that is important for software and firmware updates. This image shows how host devices can be designed to use SD memory cards for all or some memory needs. In order to support SD9 features, some infrastructure additions were necessary. 3 new memory units were added, 2 boot partitions, and 1 RPMB hidden unit, plus 3 new commands, 2 security transparent commands, secure read and secure write, along with a partition select command. As you might expect, all of the advanced security features found in SD9 were added to the SD interface. Those of you familiar with the industry-leading NVMe architecture know that TCG and RPMB are already a part of that interface. This means SD Express cards now have 2 ways of delivering TCG and RPMB, either through the SD interface or through the PCIe NVMe interface. Complementing advanced security, SD memory cards can be tightly bound to a device for increased data protection. When used as a semi-embedded component, an SD memory card will, for example, reside under a removable cover on the device, so it's easily accessible for upgrades or replacements. Manufacturers win with this approach, as they provide their customers with a right replacement card that is specifically designed to operate only with their product. This process prevents interference from threats like malware or fake cards that are unknowingly acquired when users buy cards on their own from some retail sources. Importantly, SD9 gives manufacturers greater ability to meet right-to-repair laws. These laws give customers the ability to repair or upgrade their device, rather than force an entire device upgrade when they need more storage capacity or if a malfunction occurs due to a memory problem. This easy repair and upgrade capability delivers product preservation that can dramatically reduce electronic waste, be extremely economical, and supports important environmental, social, and governance corporate initiatives. For more than 2 decades, SD memory cards have been an environmentally sound choice for upgrading devices, extending their expiration date, and making repairs easier for everyone involved. We've covered a handful of the innovative advancements now offered by SD memory cards, but you may be wondering, what are the ideal applications and device types that will benefit from this storage renaissance? First, we encourage you to think about the applications that may benefit from SD9's features, including the ability to boot from a small, semi-removable SD or microSD memory card, the need to easily replace or upgrade the device's main memory, comply with new right-to-repair laws, and the opportunity to have a manufacturer provide a specific card design to only operate with a specific product. The products prime for enhanced SD memory cards include Chromebook computers, tablets and drones, gaming systems, surveillance cameras and dash cams, IoT modules, and wearable medical devices, to name a few. Circling back to tightly bound card uses, there are host devices perfect for SD innovation, including gaming cards tied to a specific console or virtual reality products, plus infotainment systems that need to secure content like maps to specific host devices. SD Association members are always thinking ahead. They're working to drive value and functionality for products for ever-evolving markets. They're also proud to provide product manufacturers new options for trusted memory components that offer advanced security features, easy repairs, and simplified upgrades, along with reliable and removable SD memory cards to tightly bind to host devices, and overall, proven components for semi-embedded memory. The association invites you to learn more about the advanced security features of SD9 and explore other uses of SD memory cards by visiting our website at sdcard.org. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.